Craving a taste of Spain? Let's make an authentic paella in just 3 minutes. This vibrant dish is perfect for any occasion. Let's get cooking. Here's what you'll need. 1 cup bomba or arborio rice, 200 g chicken thighs, diced, 150 g shrimp, peeled, 1 red bell pepper, sliced, 1 cup diced tomatoes, 2 cups chicken broth, 1 pinch saffron threads, 1 tsp smoked paprika, 1/2 cup frozen peas, 1 onion chopped, 2 garlic cloves, minced, olive oil, salt and pepper, lemon wedges and parsley for garnish. Heat 2 tablespoons of olive oil in a paella pan or wide skillet over medium heat. Add diced chicken thighs, season with salt and pepper. Cook until golden, about 5 minutes. Remove and set aside. In the same pan, sauté chopped onion and garlic until soft, about 2 minutes. Add sliced red bell pepper and diced tomatoes. Cook for another 3 minutes until fragrant. Stir in 1 cup of rice, a pinch of saffron, and 1 teaspoon of smoked paprika. Mix well, then pour in 2 cups of chicken broth. Stir gently to combine. Nestle the chicken back into the pan, add shrimp and frozen peas. Let it simmer on low for 15-20 minutes without stirring, until the rice absorbs the broth and forms a crispy sauerkraut bottom. Once the rice is cooked and the shrimp are pink, garnish with fresh parsley and lemon wedges. Your paella is ready to impress. This paella is bursting with Spanish flavors, perfect for sharing with friends and family. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video for more delicious recipes. Hit that bell icon to stay updated. Buen provecho!